Okay, 14, you're free to go.
Yay! Now I can go back to eating people's skin.
Oh yeah, I forgot he did that. Classic 14.
Wait, what? We should do something about that, right?
You tell uncle jokes.
Robin has never told a joke about his uncle.
Uncle jokes aren't about uncles. They're just lame jokes that someone like an uncle would tell.
And they're never, ever funny.
I don't tell uncle jokes.
Really?
How do you want your steak cooked?
On a stove.
I'm sorry I couldn't keep my promise. You probably don't remember, but I was really serious about building that gorgeous house with a big yard. A house on a hill where you could see the sea.
He was a boy, she was a girl. Can I make it any more obvious? He was a punk, she did ballet. What more can I say? He wanted her, she'd never tell. Secretly she wanted him as well. I'll see you next Tuesday. If I ever get desperate or I'm so beyond fate, just I'll see you next Tuesday. Kinda nice on this morning, I won't sit around waiting and just be.
What will I do now that you're gone? Now that you're gone. Now that you're gone.
Entire kingdom of candy sounds sticky.
Very sticky indeed.
Sounds.
Bubble, you can't say that.
IDK, IDC, TBH.
There's a bomb strapped to my chest.
Rest in peace to Cameron Boy, should have been Jack Dory. Rest in peace to Cameron Boy, should have been Jack Dory.
Which of us will be the object of your attraction?
Wow, what great options. This is going to be so hard.
Oh, sisters, I'm back from war.
Hello, sailor!
So, what's your favorite hobby?
Stalking.
Oh, I like singing and dancing.
I know.
Oh, geez, Tilly. Dad's doing his self-reliance speech again. Huh?
I can't hear it because I died of boredom.
Oh, no! It's catching!
I get up early and sing this little song. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Bang, 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 bang goes the farmer's gun. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, 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 run.
No, we don't always see eye to eye, but I think...
That's because you're too short to do so.
Listen here.
I'm not having a fucking laugh, boys, yeah? I think Grandpa's actually sold my PlayStation. Why, oh my god! Bro! Grandpa! Grandpa? Why have you sold my PlayStation, you fucking knobhead? Because it's not in your living room, and people have been telling me you sold it on eBay, you fucking fat bastard.
Should've chased you, I should be who you are in case you lost my fight with fate. A tug of war, of leave and stay. I give in, I abdicate, I lay my sword down anyway. I'll see you at heaven's gate, 'cause it's too little, way too late.
dragon has 3 heads. One to be a murderer who will unleash death. One to be a monarch whose crown will weigh heavy. And one to be mad whose ideas will change history.
If I was dying on my knees, you would be the one to rescue me. And if you were drowned at sea, I'd give you my love so you could breathe. I've got you, brother.
Yes, perhaps he's homophobic. But we're not gay, Philip. We're not.
Stop manipulating me! Stop! Stop!
This morning, I woke up today and this morning. In the morning I woke up, this morning I woke up. And remember that every morning that I wake up, I woke up that fucking day. Just remember that.
What?
'Cause he's my
see that town? Silent Hill.
Huh.
She's not a superhero. She's a weirdo. Everyone looks at me like I'm a monster. I am a monster. I'm a monster. If I was the monster.
anybody still care about me? You're not supposed to care. You're not supposed to miss me. You're not supposed to love me. This isn't how this is supposed to go. Leave me alone. You're making this so much harder.
Oh my god, you're so tall, you look like a giraffe.
That's why you dead built like a baked bean.
A baked bean!
And just before everything went dark, I said he missed my heart. He missed my heart. He got me good. I knew he would, but he missed my heart. He missed my heart. And just before everything went dark, the most poetic dream came flowing like the sea, laying there, my lifeblood draining out of me. A childhood scene, night sky moonbeams, fishing with my friends, sitting in the wild reeds, watching the Ohio River flow at night, waiting for the bullhead catfishes to bite. Down river from the Moundsville prison graveyard. Get you out of my head, can't look away, can't have a blush. Where did I get this overwhelming crush? It's sharp as a knife and twice the rush. Yo, there's something I think you should know. I've never seen Yuri so vain and chill and still kinda sweaty. And I don't mind cutting to the chase. I'm in love with you and your gorgeous face. That's a sentiment I can't allow. So my dear friend Yuri is getting the point now.
What is your biggest flaw? I'm uncooperative. Give me an example? No.
Did I have a crush on the Grinch? Well, of course not. I didn't ask you that. Oh.
I can be whatever you want. You just tell me what you want and I'll be that for you.
You're dumb.
I could be that.
So sweet, do you think you care for me one day?
Yes, of course I will.
And I want it all. Just watch me move and fall away. Nobody even knows my name, and no one suspects that I'm not fine, and nobody outs behavioral Frankenstein.
Mike, you gotta stop with this jaywalking. Miss me with that gay shit. What gay shit, the law?
Is she dead forever? Why isn't she respawning? Come on, respawn already, please. Guys, make sure to treasure what you have while it's here. She didn't care if I punched her. She didn't care if I cursed at her. And now she's gone. All she wanted was for me to eat cookies and croissants, and I just never listened.